Hi guys and guys, good day to each one of you. So I'll proceed now here in customer service to have my wagon get registered, to be registered, and I'm done with PPL insurance. It cost for 1.3 and then she gave me a discount, Madam Rose, of 100 pesos, so it means a lot. And then the stencil will be free, so she gave me a free 4 stencils on my engine. Sir, saan ako proceed ko para sa
Sir, tanong ko lang, saka isa pa
ano ba
po.
tawag dito, yung
Nakuha ko na kasi yung plaka
registration?
nito. Mali yung spelling nung pagulo ang nailagay. Okay lang ba yan? Kailangan din po ba dalhin to pagka babiyahe?
Hold on guys. Shout out to each every one of you. To all my lovely countries, to my mother in Bicol, Fea Bordo, Helen Carreto, my childhood friend, to each every one of you, my first viewers, who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much to each every one of you. So I'll just wait for the next step. I don't know for how much this would be. According to Madam Rose, I have lots of penalty because it's been more than 2 years since I wasn't able to register my... Hold on, so there's a number. Okay, so there's a number. I'm gonna get called. I mean, they will call my number. So bye for now, okay?